Today's the day we take out the sink, getting ready for the crew to come in and put new countertops on, but today they'll just take off the old countertops and prep it. Randy's inventing a tool.
Just look up there and I'm going to see.
So I'll give him a chance to
Figure it out.
figure it out. Oh, now we get to do some yoga. Did you get it? The sink?
Everything arrived except for the kitchen sink.
Oh, don't
That's
you
not
know
coming
that's our
until the
luck.
10th.
Well, that's not cliche.
Right? Making progress on the demolition of the old kitchen counter. Encountered a few surprises here. Apparently there was a leak once upon a time. And here's a wire to nowhere. That must have been the garbage disposal. It's not live, which is good. Need to get some insulation to fill that hole.
I'm just trying to loosen. My hammer go.
Whoa.
Nope. The stand cabinet. Right.
That's it. Like we forgot to remove some things.
Oh yeah.
Pretty slick from here anyway.
It'll be okay.
And they weren't our things to begin with. That's a big job ripping that stuff out. The old kitchen countertop has been removed. Destructively, as you saw.
Alright.
Nice.
Okay.
No, I mean spreading it and getting it all over your hands. I never
No,
ate it.
that's-
Did you eat it?
No, there was kids in my class that did that.
Oh yeah. I remember kids getting stuck in the face with pencils
Ooh.
and cut with scissors.
I remember a kid getting stapled by a stapler,
Aggressive kids.
Yeah, the next time this gets torn out,
it's not gonna be easy.
not gonna be as easy.
That's okay with me. I probably won't be here to witness it. You guys need wet ones?
Oh no. Did you take that?
I would.
Beautiful.
He does the gluing and the routing, and then he cleans up while I finish the edges. That's it.
Wow, you got it figured out.
Yep, after all these years, we got it down to a science.
Alright. When is the sink coming in?
Got the gluing going, you sure can smell it.
Oh, yeah.
Is that why you smile all the time?
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
It's a beauty babe.
It's a beauty babe. Are we ready to take these
That
out?
still needs to come that
Come
direction.
your way.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then just give it a little swoop this way.
Looks really good.
Oh, I see.
We're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Bang, bang, rowdy, rowdy. Okay. That's a rip. Any more drops on that side?
No.
Okay. She came down, she barked, and all I had to say is, inside, Rach. And she would go inside. She was a great dog. And it was funny, we didn't even know each other, but she had German Shepherds when she was younger.
Okay.
And I had one when I was in New York with my first wife.
Uh-huh.
So we both liked them.
She loves her food.
How you doing, babe?
I think we're done.
Perfect day for doing remodeling work. The countertop edges have all been cut and they're laid out ready for attachment, which involves some glue and some very thin nails. Can't wait to see how it looks. We got all the edges done. So this holds the glue down a little bit as it dries for about, what, 24 hours or so?
Yeah, round about there.
Almost there.
It's a tight fit, but it's gonna make it.
Yes.
So can we keep that part?
Yep.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna have to set it down. Yep. Doing a little adjustment to get it right dead center. That was quick.
Yeah, there was only a few spots. Took my time putting it on so that I wouldn't have very many edges.
Well, I'm disappointed with some of these corners. Actually, most of them, they're either overlapped too much or they've been filed down to the point where it's obvious. I've sent some photos to Strait Floors and asked if they could maybe fix these issues. Not sure what they can do at this point. You can see the little nail holes there, but that's how they attach the edges. I guess that's to be expected. In addition to repairing the edges and the corners of the countertop, Strait Floors needs to return and expand the space where the range is supposed to slide into. Unfortunately, it does not fit. 2 employees of Strait Floors came out this morning and got the range inserted into the countertop. But after they left, without informing us of this issue, we discovered this large gap between the range and a piece of the counter. And there is no room to push it further back. I have no idea what they're going to do to fix this, but they will.